Today is Tuesday, August 30th, 2022. Tomorrow is a hump day. So this week will also pass by flawlessly because so easy job this year and last year, quite an easy job. Another easy job that I see on the internet is that the goats are used for grazing and weeding out all the brushes that you don't need, and also prevent wildfire, and also fertilize the soil and the till, maybe the paddies for next year's crop production. This article seems to have come from Ireland. I've never read this article. I'm trying to read this article as a part of my effort for my daily English reading. So no, it's a purely academic effort. I'm trying to read this article for the first time. Here we go. Ireland. This project is conserving goats and protecting Dublin from wildfires, October 5th, 2021. This article is published in collaboration with Reuters. Very good. Good people. The project aims to instill key conservation grazing principles to tackle fire prevention and habitat management. Image, Reuters. Clodagh Kilcoyne. Journalist, Reuters. All the Irish goats have been stationed to protect their hills around the Dublin suburb of Howth from gorse wildfires. The local council hopes that the grazing goats will eat the vegetation, making the area less prone to natural wildfires. All the Irish goats are almost extinct, so the project has the additional goal of helping to conserve this ancient breed. The herd has settled in quickly and is being monitored by GPS tracking boxes. An ancient breed of Irish goat has been deployed to protect their hills around one of Dublin's most affluent suburbs from gorse wildfires. I wonder what the gorse is. Sounds like a goose, but I could be wrong. It could be a very ancient English word, gorse. Let's look it up on the dictionary. Yeah, gorse. Gorse. Prickly bush with yellow flowers. Prickly bush with yellow flowers. Really? So we have to look up the word on the internet for the instant picture explanation. Gorse. That's prickly. So this one looks like a prickly bush with yellow flowers. Gorse, one you should know. I don't want to know for the time being. So I'll look it up on the Korean dictionary. Yeah, something like this. Gorse. Canary? What the? I don't think so. Gorse 무엇입니까? In the gorse. Okay, tumble. Okay, prickly bush. So I'll go back, and we are done. So we should go back and look up the article that I saved a long time ago. Yeah, this one. I don't know why the Facebook makes the going back to the article so difficult and asinine. The project aims to instill key conservation grazing principles to tackle fire prevention and habitat management while helping to ensure the breed's survival, she said. Goat herder Melissa Juken holds a kid named Shayla from a herd of old Irish goats, image raters Clodagh Kilcoyne. She looks cute, and the goat also looks cute. Firefighters were deployed to deal with a number of gorse fires in their area this summer. Conservationists fear the old Irish goat, which numbered around 250,000 in the early 1990s, was extinct until some were found scattered on the western mountains of Mulraney. Their identity confirmed by DNA sampling at Trinity College Dublin. Padraig Brown, whose Old Irish Goat Society set up a 5-acre sanctuary in Mulraney, from which the Howth goats were chosen, said the heritage animals needed a lot of support for conservation and that the grazing project was an ideal solution. So here's a good expression, which numbered around 250,000 in the early 1990s. Which numbered, that's good expression. Which numbered 10,000 people. Which numbered 10,000 or which numbered around 200,000. So that was a good expression. Discover what's the World Economic Forum doing about climate change. Juken, who grew up in the west of Ireland and spent many years setting up her own goat herd, said her new herd, a curious if reserved bunch, which wear GPS tracker boxes around their necks that ping if they stray, have settled in quickly to their new surroundings. Plenty of time, TLC, and a few treats. And you can't go too far wrong with that, Juken said, before bleating like a goat to call her crew to her. Bleat, bleat, beep, 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 bleating. So there's another good word to remember. Yeah, bleat. Meh, meh. That's bleating. Okay. TLC. I forgot the word. TLC. What is it? IDK is I don't know. TLC stands for plenty of time. TLC, leisure time. What is it? So we go back and look up TLC. TLC. I looked up the word before. It's internet acronym, kind of slang. TLC. Tender loving care. Man, here. TLC, tender loving care. Tender loving care. So tender loving care. Okay, got it. Writing by Padraig, helping additional reporting by Connor Humphreys, editing by Janet Lawrence. License and republishing. World Economic Forum articles may be republished in accordance with a Creative Commons Attribution, Non-Commercial, No Derivatives 4.0 International Public License, and in accordance with our terms of use. The views expressed in this article are those of the author alone and not the World Economic Forum. So this one was, I don't know, offered, projected by the World Economic Forum, but good read. Very short, but we picked up some words such as which numbered about 250,000, bleating, and TLC, tender loving care, TLC, tender loving care. I need the TLC. Or in the meanwhile, TLC, tender loving care. You just attach the statement at the end of your post, looking for some products, articles, used products. Ireland, Jukin, GPS tracker boxes, grazing, ancient, extinct, ancient goat, gorse. We looked up gorse. There's a prickly bush with yellow flowers, gorse, firefighters, Ireland, project. Yeah, I would like to visit Ireland. I'm not sure the politics between the Ireland and the UK, but Irish people are always nice. We have many English teachers from Ireland, and they are good, and they are TLC, tender, loving care. Thanks for listening.